Nobody. Uh-uh. So all of you are into blockchain and nobody knows what GM means. Nobody. I know it means good morning, but why do we always say good morning? Okay, I know why we say we are all going to make it, right? Because obviously people believe that decentralized tech is one of the paths towards financial freedom, right? That's a nice explanation, but why do we say GM? Nobody knows the answer. So hopefully we'll find out about the end of the class. All right, hi everyone. My name is, I said class. My name is Mudia. I am a product designer. That's what I do primarily. Have been fortunate enough to also design in the blockchain space. My career path has been mostly around finance, design for finance. Also designed for telemedicine, both for underprivileged and students, and even people who are out of school. Also designed for e-commerce, designed for travel. But what I find pretty interesting that encompasses all of this is, at the end of the day, you're designing for people, right? So I'm not going to talk about all the 1 million protocols you know about. I'm just going to talk about how you design for people in general. Is that fine? All right, so I was having a conversation with Ifeanyi, who is supposed to be helping me with this talk. And we're talking about why there's a problem right now with how Web3 is perceived, right? It's like this. For, let's say, digital banking, for instance, right? We all know CUDA, right? CUDA. We all know, I mean, we've used normal digital banking apps. CUDA is purely digital bank. First Bank has their own version. But the point is, we have like an army of designers for centralized technology, right? We already have designers who bring in their word of expertise into centralized tech. But for decentralized technology right now, we still have very few people focusing their expertise there. So what happens is this, is because you don't have enough people, there are a lot of blind spots, right? A lot of gaps. So for instance, you have what you find describes as developers building experiences. So if a developer is going to build an experience, for instance, right? He's going to be writing things in, forgive me, but jargons. If you're going to transfer, it was interesting how when I worked in a blockchain company, you want to transfer money, right? I see and I process money for the most part in fiat. Fiat is Naira, dollar, USD, right? If I'm going to send you money, I'm not going to be typing 0.001340 BTC, right? That's a lot. I'm going to send you $100 worth of BTC. Does that make sense? Do you understand that? Now what I'm saying is this. Issues like that get overlooked when the designers, quote unquote, the people designing the experience are just mostly developers, right? Why people like me come into the space is, I want to look at mental models of how people do stuff. So, for the most part, what people use money for is buying and selling, transactions, right? And that has been mostly my career in the whole blockchain industry. I have been tasked with designing products that allow people, and sadly I can't tell you the companies, NDAs and all of that, but I'm designing products that allow people make everyday payments with blockchain. So imagine going to buy a cup of coffee and donuts, right? And then you pay with the Bitcoin Lightning Network. Those are the kind of things I do. Automating trading, making trading automated